So one of the things that you can do while working with Microsoft Planner is go ahead and group and filter out tasks. For example, over here in Grid, if I were to go around, then you can see filters around over here. And you can filter out the tasks by today. Let's say, for example, tomorrow, this week, next week. Check and uncheck it to hide and display out tasks accordingly. Similarly, you can filter it out by labels as well as you want, and you can filter it out by progress as well, just like this. You can see not started, progress, and so forth right here, and even go ahead and filter it out by bucket right here. So you can clear out all and then the filters will be removed. If I were to go to the board, then you can see the filters just like you would see in the grid, but you also see group by. So you can group by bucket right here, you can group by assigned to, you can group by progress right here, you can group by due date and labels as well, and even priority, as you can see right here. So besides the bucket, you also have an option to go ahead and group it out by other means. Similarly, in the schedule as well, you got the filters, so you can go ahead and filter out only urgent. You can go around and filter it out by due date and so forth right here. And same goes for the task as well. So you can go around over here, filter it out by creative and so forth. You can clear out all to see everything. You can filter it out by bucket. You can go ahead and filter it out by labels right here, just like this, and so forth. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize group by and filter option inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.